problems finding a character? Bored with humanoid characters and their banality? We have a solution. Introducing the unique furry character, Lion Man, which will make your project more interesting and original. This ready-to-play low-poly model has all the necessary features for creating an immersive gaming experience. 67,000 triangles and 40,000 vertices provide high detail and smooth movements. 7 materials and 36 PBR textures guarantee realistic character display in various lighting conditions. Ears and tail have additional bones, allowing precise animation and facial expression customization. Weight painting is done at a high level, ensuring smooth and natural movements. All joints, elbows, and knees bend and unbend well, making the character flexible and agile. Epic Skeleton allows you to apply any humanoid animations from the Unreal Store, opening up wide customization possibilities. The face has 52 blend shapes for Live Link and Apple ARKit, making it ideal for use in various games and social networks. This character is suitable for a variety of genres: RPG, fantasy, hyper-casual games, and avatars on social networks Oculus VR and PC VR. Create a unique and memorable world with our furry character, Lion Man.